There's no escape. Slow down and stop at the tail of the destroyer. Control tower is trying to escape.
Copy that, TF9.